I've had so many people asking me what is the best photo booth, and I have not tried every photo booth, so I really can't answer it. I do a lot of reviews for instant printers, and people want to take their camera and then connect it with the printer and do a photo booth that way. I've really not done it that way, but when I found this photo booth by HP Sprocket, I got super excited because this is kind of like a printer, a camera, and a light all in one. And I picked it up and I want to show you some of the results and some of the options with it. I am a photographer and a creator, and I get obsessed with products that make a lot of sense. And I try and give the most honest reviews possible so that you can make a decision as to whether or not this is a right product for you. So let's get into looking at this HP Sprocket photo booth. Okay, so this is the photo booth out of the box, and to begin with, it's got some really cool features that I love. First of all, you can see one from the side where it actually has a tilting mechanism, so you can store it nice and flat, but if you want to put it up on a tabletop, you absolutely can do that, and you can tilt it to be the correct angle for your party. I've got it kind of tilted to the side because it wants to just be a lot of reflections right now. It also has a tilting screen, so you can use it depending on where you are. You can tilt it up or down on what your best option is for having it. Now, it also will hang from this clip over a door. So this goes up over the door, and then this goes around the back. There's a handle back here. So you can hang this directly from the door, and you can raise it, lower it, depending on the height of your doors. Or you can put this right on the wall, and this obviously fits right into this little handle in the back. If you decide you want to do that, it comes with the screws and everything you need to put this right on your wall. The other thing they thought of, which I love, is that it comes with a couple of different plugs for different countries, which is wonderful. So they've thought of people that don't have the standard US plug. It's great. It is going to take your standard Sprocket 3x4 paper. So they already use this for their photo printers, and it comes in a packet like this. And I'm actually out of paper, so I'm going to show you just how easy it is to load this paper. So when you load the paper, all you want to do is you open up this package. You really want to only open this package when you're about to use the printer. Let's see if there we go. You want to be careful that you do not touch the paper at all, because putting fingerprints on it is going to smudge it. And what you do is you put this in directly, just like this. It could not be more user-friendly. It tells you there's a little picture on the door that shows you exactly the way in which you need to add the paper. So it is really dummy proof, and not saying that anyone is a dummy, but if you are having alcoholic beverages and trying to put in new paper, you may not remember exactly how it goes, but it slides directly, it slides directly in just like this, boom. And you can put in multiple papers. I just usually take out this little blue guy when you go and do it. There's also instruction, a little QR code of instructions on the inside. And then you just close it up, and then the photos just come out here on the side. And yeah, it's super easy to load and unload. And then, so it will, as soon as you put new paper in, it will begin calibrating. So it's gonna determine what colors, everything, the lines, that way your prints are as close to accurate as possible. While it's doing that, I am just going to show you. So one of the things I love about this is that you could use this as a person doing a photo booth party. You could bring this to events. You could rent this for events and let people use this. This could be like a corporate thing where your company owns it and you use this on the weekends. There are ways to pick, so you can pick, basically you can make an event. So every time you make an event, you can pick certain frames. So I just used this at my family's beach week. Okay, so now we are all calibrated on the printer. I used this on my family's beach week, and I picked like 5 or 6 frames that I wanted everyone to use. And you can actually, and then that is what they took pictures with the whole time. Actually, this one is one I took before. But, you know, you can have them be themed. They just have an update that I just saw a minute ago that is meant for World Cup soccer. So you can update this and the frames are updated for World Cup, which is super fun. So you could have an event like for your company or for your family, like a World Cup watching party, and you are right there able to pick a frame. So as I mentioned before, you have these different events. So this is an event that I made right here, and it's my beach week, and you can see all the filters. So I picked what filters people could use. I can limit how many prints each person could make. I enabled sharing, so it will also send them like a QR code so they can save that photo on their phone and share it with other people, which is wonderful. And you can see right here that the way it works is the camera's here, you have this light lit up here, but then also it has a flash. So this photo, for instance, was taken in the near dark at our beach house. You can see it's completely dark around me. There is a little light from inside the house. This was out on a porch, but you can see that it lit me up perfectly and no problem at all. Now, these are also stickers. And the paper is everything. It has 0 ink, which means that the paper, I don't really know, some geniuses came up with this idea, but basically the heat makes the ink come forward in the print, in the paper, I think. I don't really know. It's kind of magic. It's really cool. So I picked a few frames that I wanted people to use, and then you can put different filters on things. So there's vivid, there's black and white, there's a whole bunch of different filters. You can do some of these are really fun filters where it changes the color a lot. And just a ton of options that you can do. You can turn the flash off if you don't want to. You can turn it on. You can make this light brighter, like if it's a really dark area, it's really easy to just turn this light up, down. You can see it really does light you up well. This one was like right at sunset, so you can see we're a little pinker. But the other cool thing is you can actually make a frame say what your event is. So like if this was like a gala or a high school prom or something, you could put the name of the school and the prom and the date, and then every photo would print out with that written on it, which is a super fun keepsake, especially if you're having like a big event, a party, you know, super wedding, super special. The other thing is that you can print the photos right there and it will let you choose how many you want to print, but also it saves these, and I think it has like 34 gigs on this machine. So it saves those photos for later. So later what I did when we did our beach week, all my family took their photos, but then I wanted to print some of them and I went back in and just printed out the ones that I wanted to show you guys. So super easy to reprint. So if you are having a wedding and you want to remember, you want to make like a guest book, or you want to make, you know, a memory album of all these people, you absolutely can do that with this. It's super fun. This is a great thing. As I mentioned, the photos are not like instant. It's going to take, I think, like 2 minutes for the photo to come out. You saw how long it took for this guy to come out. Maybe a minute. It feels longer. But the prints are great, they're adorable, they're good quality, and I am super impressed with this guy. Like, really love it. I've been excited to use it. My family had a blast using it. If this has helped you make a decision or you liked seeing the features, please follow and subscribe. I would love that. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think or your thoughts about it. But yeah, I'm loving this HP Sprocket photo booth.